insert works basically like this. You put in, again, this is assuming you're at the appropriate prompt. Insert into your table locomotives, and then you name the columns in parentheses. So road number, and this is in parentheses, of course. This is kind of self-explanatory as you're watching this. Reporting marks. Keep second-guessing my spelling. Again, I'm typing with one hand here. Reporting marks, location. Actually, there's a controversy over whether to use spaces. We'll go with no spaces here because it seems to be more common. So location, anyway, getting back to the columns here. Date. Manufacturer. Model. Year built. And comments. And then you do the same thing. This is a lot like practice, except you put in values. You don't just go solely with the order. Whichever values correspond to these columns in the correct order. So road number 1845, reporting marks ADIX, location Thundera, date, let's say for the sake of argument, the 8th of August, assuming American practice for dates. 1st of August, 2018. Manufacturer Alco. Model RS18. Year built, 1957. And then comments, I'll just say no comment. Now, note that most of the data types are not integers. So to be on the safe side, we need to put all these in single quotes. We're not going to be performing mathematical operations on them anyway. Then obviously the semicolon. And this in turn would insert the data. Now if we wanted to look at what was in table, locomotives, the easiest way is to use the select command. Select all from locomotives. And usually this would be combined with something else to display it properly. Now this is all, oh yeah, and semicolon, of course. But now this is all rather technical just for uploading and downloading data, you would say. Rather old-fashioned. And mostly this is just used in the back end, it's true. I mean, you don't necessarily use SQL every day if you're a layperson working on databases. And of course, most people have some kind of interface, graphical user interface, that they have on their computer at work. But actually, MAMP also has a graphical user interface for constructing a database like this. So that will be in the next video.